Before you try the steps, make sure both of your AirPods have a charge. Place both of them in their case, and then open the case's lid while holding it next to your iPhone or iPad. In a few seconds, you should see a small window on screen showing the charge status of each earbud and their case. You can also add the battery widget to your iPhone's home screen to quickly view battery levels. Ensuring your iPhone's software is up to date can also mitigate any potential AirPods issues. Software updates usually include security fixes and sometimes add new features to your AirPods, so it's a good idea to check regardless. Launch Settings, tap General and select Software Update. Put both AirPods back in their case and make sure they're charging. Let them charge for 30 seconds, open the case's lid near your iPhone or iPad, and wait for the AirPods to pop up on screen. Put both AirPods in your ears and play music or a video to make sure audio is working. To get started, make sure your AirPods are in their charging case with the lid closed. After 30 seconds, open the lid to connect your AirPods with your iPhone or iPad. Launch the Settings menu on your mobile device and tap Bluetooth. Find your AirPods in the list of Bluetooth devices and tap the I symbol next to it. Choose Forget this device. You may have to scroll down to find this option. Once your AirPods are forgotten, open the charging case's lid and hold down the button on the back for about 15 seconds. The light on the front should flash white. Now, hold your AirPods in their charging case with the lid open near your iPhone or iPad. You should see on-screen instructions for pairing them, just like the first time you set them up. Resetting your AirPods usually fixes this problem. But if you're still experiencing issues with one or both AirPods, check to make sure there is no debris obstructing the speaker mesh. Check out our guide to cleaning your AirPods for instructions on how to safely sanitize your earbuds and their case.